So today I received a very exciting package in the mail. I've been waiting like all week for this, so I'm super excited. One of my favorite YouTubers, Chels Rocca, hosted a giveaway on Instagram and I was the lucky winner, which I am so thankful for. Chelsea, if you're watching, thank you so much. This means so much to me and I am so excited to be opening up this giveaway package, and I thought I would, I guess, film the unboxing and my reaction and stuff, because honestly, who doesn't love a good unboxing? They're literally my favorite kind of videos to watch here on YouTube. So yeah, before we get into unboxing this package, I do quickly want to say that Chelsea came out with an ebook recently, which is why she hosted the giveaway. It was like a way to celebrate the launch of her ebook called Create Through Journaling, which is an incredible book if you're like super into journaling and manifestation, law of attraction, all that stuff, or if you're looking into getting more into journaling. And it's also taught me like how to manifest your dream life and how to just build your dream life through manifestation and journaling, which I'm all about. It's super interesting. I will leave a link to Chelsea's ebook in the description box if you guys do want to check it out. It's $19.99, angel numbers, which we all know Chelsea loves. So yeah, anyways, now let's get into unboxing this package. This is like the little crate that all the giveaway goodies came in. It is so cute. I think I'm actually going to use this crate to put all of my journaling and scrapbooking supplies, because currently they're all on my floor and it's a mess. So yeah, as you can see, I haven't even opened this up yet because I've been waiting to film this video. So let's get into opening this. I guess I will take the book out first. We have this book and it's called Find Your Sparkle, Embracing the Magic of Life. I love the little illustrations on this book. It's super cute. I can't wait to actually read this. I actually have no idea what exactly it's about, but it looks very aesthetic. I love the illustrations. What else we have in here is a box within the crate. Oh my gosh! At the bottom, we have like this, what's this actually called? Like, I don't know what this is called. And a little card from Chelsea as well. That is so sweet. I think I'm actually going to read the card first. I feel like it just makes it even more personal, the fact that she actually went to the effort of writing a card. This is what the card looks like. And it just says, Dear Miriam, thank you for your support. Big love, Chelsea XOXO. Today is your day. Thank you, Chelsea. This is so sweet. I'm definitely going to keep this. Then we have this box. Honestly, you can tell how much effort and time she put into this little hamper, and I absolutely love it. Literally feels like it's my birthday, except my birthday's in 2 months, so early birthday present to me, I guess. Oh my gosh, she packed this real good. The first thing we have in this box is this Zen spray. So you just spray this around your room and it's just meant to make you feel calm. Let's actually test this out. It smells really nice. It smells like one of those essential oils that I put in my diffuser, so love that. Definitely going to be using this, especially at night time. Then we have this. So this is Calming Organic Tea Loose Leaf. Okay, if you guys know me, you know how much I love my tea. I drink tea literally like twice a day. It's my kind of my addiction, and this is meant to be a calming tea, which I've actually never tried out, so I'm really keen to check that out. But how cute is this packaging? This packaging is hella cute, and inside it's just the loose tea leaves. Then we have a bath bomb. Oh my goodness, this is probably one of the most exciting things ever. One of my favorite forms of self-care is literally just hopping in a warm bath, listening to some lo-fi beats or a nice wellness podcast, and just like tuning out the world and just relaxing. It's literally my favorite form of self-care, so I'm super keen to use this. Then we have this, which is meant to be going with the tea, since this is loose leaf tea, so you're gonna have to use this to actually be able to use the tea. So thank you for that, because I actually did not have this. Then we have, ooh, oh my gosh, she got me some chocolate. Yum. And this is literally the prettiest packaging ever. Like, what the heck? Super excited to eat this. I don't even want to take this out of the packaging because it looks so cute, but this is a vegan chocolate, which I've actually never tried vegan chocolate before, so I'm really keen to try this out. Then we have this little box. I don't actually know what's in this one, so just need to open it the wrong way. It's a mug. Oh my god. Oh gosh. Okay. It's a mug. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with mugs. Oh my gosh, she got me a mug as well. Okay, I am 100% drinking my tea in this mug. This is so cute. Also, this feels like it's really good quality as well, and I love this. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be my new daily mug. Next up, we have some crystals, which I have never owned crystals before, so I'm super keen to have these in my room, and I've always actually wanted to pick up some crystals, so I'm really excited for this. And last but not least, we have this gorgeous journal which says "Hello Gorgeous" in this gold accent, which is really pretty. And we also have this cute little pen, super cute. I'm always needing some new pens, and I love that this is pink with gold accents. Once I finish my other journal, I'm definitely going to be using this as like my little morning journal, so super excited for this. So yeah, that's everything that I got in this little self-care hamper giveaway from Chelsea. Again, I want to say a huge thank you to Chels for sending this to me. I am so excited to be using all of these and having a bit of a self-care day, self-care night. And again, if you guys do want to pick up Chelsea's book, Create Through Journaling, I'll have a link to the website where you can get it in the description box. I highly recommend if you're super into journaling or if you really want to get into journaling, because I found that it's super helpful and it's really helped me become more organized and also just like build my dream life. So yeah, I guess that concludes this video. Honestly, this is super spontaneous. I wasn't even sure if I wanted to film an unboxing. That's why I'm like not ready. I don't have any makeup on. I kind of look like a rat at the moment, but it's fine. That's the reality of my life right now. So yeah, give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. Subscribe to my channel down below. I post new videos every single week, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.